Per Inside EVs, the U.S. is witnessing a significant boost in its electric vehicle charging infrastructure. Nearly 8,200 quick-turn EV stations have been installed, indicating progress towards eliminating charging deserts. Tesla leads, contributing over a quarter of these stations. The first quarter of 2024 saw a 7.2% increase, with 600 new stations. The U.S. now has 62,545 Level 2 and Level 3 charging stations, featuring 167,537 ports. This expansion is supported by the Biden administration's $5 billion funding under the National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Program. Convenience stores like Buc-ee's, Wawa, and Flying J are also adding chargers, enhancing the charging experience with amenities like restrooms and Wi-Fi. Google Maps is set to improve station locatability with AI. Charging network profitability is on the horizon, with expected annual global public charging revenue reaching $127 billion by 2030, $7.4 billion potentially generated by Tesla. This development aims to improve consumer perceptions about charger availability and drive further EV adoption. You are listening to UON News.